Good morning, students. Welcome to our class, Environmental Science. Dear students, in the previous class we have already started our lesson sense organs, our topic. In the previous class we started our topic sense organs. In that lesson I explained two important sense organs, eye and nose. In this section, we are going to discuss about another important sense organ, ear. Okay. So, ear also one of the important sense organ. It helps to hear. Ears helps to hear. They helps to hear the sounds, different types of sounds which come out from the surrounding of an animal. All organisms can sense the sound, can sense the change of sound and respond to it by this ear. Okay, ear also maintains the equilibrium, that means temperature. It also involves in maintaining equilibrium. It also maintains equilibrium, that means temperature. Okay, ears are helpful to hear. It helps to sense the different types of sounds. Helps to hear the different types of sounds that come out from the surroundings. It also involves in the maintaining of temperature, body temperature. So the ear has divided into three parts. One is outer ear, also known as external ear. Middle ear, and third one is inner ear. Okay, the ear has mainly three parts: outer ear or external ear, middle ear, inner ear. Okay, if you see the diagram, or the external, the visible part of the ear is called outer ear. This one. The visible part of the ear is called external ear or outer ear. It's also called as pinna. What is that? Pinna. The visible part of the ear is called external ear or outer ear, or it's also called as pinna. Okay. The external ear receives the sounds from outside. What is the functioning of outer ear? It receives the sounds from surroundings of body. Okay. In the second point, the sound travels through this. The sound travels through this outer ear and falls on eardrum. What is that? Eardrum. Okay? The external ear receives the sounds from outside. The sound travels through the external ear and falls on the eardrum. Eardrum is a thin membrane-like structure. Eardrum is a thin membrane-like structure. It strikes or it vibrates as a stretched rubber band. Stretched rubber band vibrates when you leave it. Do you clarify it? Do you clear? It vibrates the sounds. It increases the amplifying the sounds. Do you understand? It amplifies the sounds. It increases the sounds. That means how the stretched rubber band, when you leave it, the stretched rubber band also makes a type of sounds. Yes or no? Okay. రబ్బర్ ని బాగా లాగి వదిలిపెడితే, సాగదీసిన రబ్బర్ ని లాగి వదిలితే ఏ విధమైన శబ్దం వస్తుందో అలా. ఇట్ యాంప్లిఫైయింగ్ ద సౌండ్స్. It increases the sounds which falls on the eardrum. Do you understand? And enters into the inner ear. Sorry, middle ear. So this is middle ear. Dear students, once again, the ear has mainly three parts. One is external ear, middle ear, and inner ear. Okay, the visible portion of the ear is called external ear. External ear receives the sounds from outside. In the second point, when the sound travels through the external ear, it falls on the eardrum. Eardrum is like a membrane, thin membrane. Okay, eardrum is a thin membrane-like structure. That is eardrum. Eardrum, how it works? It vibrates the sounds that fall on it. It increases the vibrations that falls on it, as like as the stretched rubber band when you leave it. Okay. Next, the sounds entered into the middle ear and finally into inner ear. Inner ear. Okay. The inner ear receives the all sounds, vibrations, and converted it into the nerve signals and send the information to the brain. Do you understand? The inner membrane, that means the inner ear, it receives the all the vibrations and is converted or modified into the nerve signals and transform it to the brain. In this way, the type of sound is identified by our brain. Do you understand? So different types of sounds we can identify it. The sound of the dog, barking of dog, or sounds from the donkeys, horses, humans, or your friends. Okay, you can notify you can identify your students, that means you can identify your friends by closing your eyes, just listening their voice. Yes or no? So that is the power of ear. It involves in the hearing. Next, another important sense organ is tongue. So, tongue. So, it's look like this. Tongue. Tongue helps in mainly identify the taste of different objects, different materials, different food materials. Tongue mainly helps in identifying different types of tastes. The mainly four types of tastes are sweet, salty, sour, and bitter. You understand? Sweet, salty, sour, and bitter. These four types of tastes are identified by our tongue. What makes the tongue to identify different types of tastes? Yes or no? So here the taste buds are swelling like parts that present on the tongue. What are they? Taste buds. What are present? Taste buds. The taste buds are the swelling like structures that present in the tongue, useful to identify the different types of tastes. I already told you that types of taste: sweet, sour, bitter, and salty. Okay, so what makes the tongue to identify this taste? The taste buds, which looks like swelling like parts, swelling like bulges that on the tongue. This helps us to identify the different types of taste. Approximately 10,000 of taste buds are present on the tongue. So each taste bud has a taste receptor. That means the tongue has taste sensitive cells. The tongue has taste sensitive cells. These cells collect the information and send the information to the brain. You understand? The tongue also involves in the masticating the food. Masticating, that means annam namadaniki. And also it releases saliva. That means not saliva, the mouth. The mouth saliva is released. The tongue helps to mix the food with the saliva. Okay, so the tongue also helps in the masticating of food, swallowing of food. So these are the functions of the tongue. The tongue mainly involves in identifying different types of tastes. They are sweet, sour, bitter and salty. Okay, the taste buds which are look like swelling like bulges on the tongue identify the different types of taste. They have the taste sensitive cells. Taste sensitive cells which identify the taste and send these chemical impulses to the brain, and brain identify the type of taste. You understand? Okay, and the taste, the tongue not only identify the taste, it also involves in the mastication, chewing of food, namaldaniki, and mix the food and saliva, and also involves in the swallowing food into the next part of the digestive system. Okay, so and another one is the skin. So skin is the largest sense organ in our body among the all sense organs. Skin is the largest sense organ. It plays a vital role to feel the climatical conditions, touch, pressure, hot, cold, humidity, okay, pressure, all these things. The skin involves in identifying the different types of feelings. Okay, that is smooth touch, pressure, hot, cool. All these things are identified by the skin. Okay, skin also one of the largest sense organ. Okay, na? It is the largest sense organ in the body is skin. It plays an important role in identifying the feelings like touch, feelings. Okay, touch, cool, hot, pressure. Okay, humidity. All these are identified by the skin. The hairs are grown from this skin. It covers all the internal organs. It covers all the internal organs. So dear students, so this is about the sense organs. In the first starting, we discussed about the eye. Eye also has important functions. So because of the eye only, we can observe all the pictures, all the beautiful things in the nature. Okay? Eye. Eye has 4 parts. Cornea, iris, pupil, retina. Okay. And next to that, we discussed about the nose. It has 2 nostrils, each one leading into the nasal cavity. Nostrils are lined by the mucus and hairs. Once you repeat the lesson. Okay? In the next class, we will discuss about the health and hygiene. Okay, thank you.